Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect Google AdSense to Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So just wait for your dashboard to load, and then once in your dashboard, just go here to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. In the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So right now, go ahead and click on Marketing. And then once you do that, here you're going to find Marketing Home, Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, social media marketing, referral program, and coupons. So go ahead and click on Google Ads, and then you're going to be right here in this page. Get ready to advertise on Google. Complete each task, then come back here to update your checklist. So basically, guys, in order to be able to advertise your site on Google Ads, you need to complete these tasks first. So first of all, you need to publish your site. As you can see, guys, in my case, the site is already published. Then you need to upgrade your site to the premium plan. As you can see, guys, my site is still not in the premium plan. If you want to upgrade, just click on upgrade now. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. Choose a plan for you to upgrade. And then upgrade your site. And then here you're going to find the option to connect a custom domain. So click on get a domain. If you don't have a custom domain, you're going to be taken to this page right here. And then you can buy a domain if you want. So just search for the domain if it's available and you can buy it. Once you do that, go back here and then you're going to find that your checklist is updated. Now, if you want to use other marketing tools, you can go here to Marketing Home. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can use social media marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads, and so on. Here is a list of all of the available marketing tools. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.